17. When from the sage these words Salaman heard, the breath of wisdom round his pellet blew. He said, O darling of the soul of Plato, to whom 100 Aristotles bow, O thou, that an 11th to the 10 original intelligences addest, I lay my face before thee in the dust. The humblest scholar of thy court I am, whose every word I find a well of wisdom, and hasten to imbibe it in my soul. But clear unto thy clearest eye it is, that choice is not within oneself to do, not in the will, but in the power to do, from that which I originally am. How shall I swerve, or put forth a sign, beyond the power that is by nature mine? Now, Islam has a vision that it's not creation that is corrupt in itself if it sticks to its original form, its original design. And that's what we need to turn back to if we've deviated, you could say. But regardless of the intellect or whatever other ability, it could be used or believed about in a correct way or incorrect way. And there's, of course, different degrees of that.